Chiffon cake meets creme caramel. It has the best of both in the world. A childhood favorite of mine. Ladies and gentlemen, here's my creme caramel custard cake. To make the caramel, get a heavy bottom pot, add with sugar and water, then heat until it's melted and turns into amber colored caramel. Stirring only when it's required. Once the caramel reaches the desired color, immediately pour the caramel into the baking pan or mortars. And for custard, whisk egg yolk, your sugar, your condensed milk and fresh milk, and a little bit dash of vanilla extract. Until the sugar is dissolved, whisk it and then strain a couple of times for you to be able to get the complete smooth texture custard. And for the meringue, beat the egg whites on high speed until it's frothy. Then gradually add your sugar and continue beating until it reaches the soft pink texture. And for the cake, get a small mixing bowl. Add your egg yolks, your vegetable oil, your vanilla extract, your fresh milk, your couple cups of flour, your sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix well until it's combined. Using a rubber spatula, get a half batch of your meringue and gently fold it to your cake batter for you to be able to get that rich, airy and fluffy chiffon cake. Place the cake in a steam water bath and cook for at least 30 minutes or until the cake is cooked prior to thick rolls. will say that this recipe can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not an experienced baker. So don't be discouraged if it doesn't turn out for the first time. Just don't forget to pay attention to the techniques. Definitely watch the whole video before you start. This recipe dessert is truly that I love most. Definitely delish. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I hope to see you again soon. This is Polko TV signing off for now and saying bye bye.